In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make R&B music in Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Suno AI on your favorite browser. Then from here, you need to log into your account and go over to the create button over here. Then from here, you need to switch off the custom link and only the instrumental if you only want the music and no lyrics. Then from here, you need to write in your prompt in the song description, and if you don't have any prompts, I have a link to them down in the description below. Then from here, let's write in a prompt. So I want a soulful R&B Afrobeat with happy congas, an electric bass, a smooth synth pad, and then I want it to be 4x4. And let's just say 65 beats per minute. Then from here, when you have done that, you simply need to click create. And then Suno AI is gonna give you 2 examples of R&B music onto your list here. And we can quickly hear if it sounds kind of similar to R&B, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna show you what to do then. Okay, now let's see the other one. Alright, and if it doesn't really sound like how you wanted it to, you can edit the prompts over here and you can click create again, or you can just click create again and Suno AI will give you 2 new examples of songs. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!